Want to make more money on Twitch? Amazon Blacksmith is the answer for you. I'm going to show you how to use this awesome Twitch extension. Let's go. Hey, it's me, it's Wild, coming at you for my stream support playlist where I bring you the best tips and tricks. And if this is your first time here and you want to learn how to grow and improve your stream, make sure you hit that big red subscribe button and tick that bell. And hey, at any point during the video, if you like the products or the services that I'm talking about, I did you a favor. I put a link in the description below that'll take you to everything that you need, so check it out. So if you're not familiar with Twitch extensions, I already did a video on that. Make sure you pause this video and watch this video right up here in the top of the corner, so that way you can get caught up to speed on everything Twitch extensions. Now, if you'd like to use Amazon Blacksmith extension, you actually need to do a prerequisite, which requires you to be an Amazon affiliate. Signing up is free, it's easy to do, and I will put a link in the description below, so make sure you do that before you access the Amazon Blacksmith extension, because it won't work for you. Now, once you're all signed up with Amazon and its affiliate program, you're good to go. So let's go over to the computer and I'm gonna show you how to use this extension. Now that we're over at the computer, the first thing we have to do is log into our own Twitch channel. From here, scroll down and go to the edit panels and toggle on the edit. If you have any open extensions, you'll notice it here in position 1, but if you're adding a new one or you're doing your very first one, you'll have to scroll to the bottom and click the plus sign to add an extension panel. Make sure you click on this and go to the extension manager. With that all loaded, it will show your active or installed extensions here. But to discover a new one, you gotta click on the Discovery tab. Since we know what extension we're looking for, let's just type in Blacksmith here and it'll populate into position 1. Go ahead and click on this and it will show you all the details. With the page loaded up, it'll show you what it will be looking like when it's displayed in your Twitch channel. This gives you a nice, easy representation of what it's gonna look like. Also, make sure to take into account all of the details that it has over here for what you will be making for affiliate sales. This is highly important, so make sure you take a moment to read it. Once you got everything down that you need, go up to the top right corner and click install. If you'd like to add any other extensions at this moment, you can continue to browse and keep adding, or you can configure. Since we want this, let's go ahead and configure it to our needs and specifications. To get started with the Amazon Blacksmith program, like we said before, you need to be an Amazon affiliate. So to log in and link your accounts, we need to click on this Get Started and attach all these together. It's gonna populate a window which populated off screen, and I'll move it over here for you all to see. But it's gonna take in all of your information here that you can see. So this way you make sure to attach the correct account and log in. Once you are signed in, all you need to do is confirm the account to link it to my Twitch account. With everything now linked, I can go ahead and close this window. From here, we can go to our next step on our Amazon Blacksmith extension. Now that it's discovered my link to my Amazon affiliate account, we just have to sync it all up and get everything working together. So here is my ID code for my Amazon affiliate. So we're gonna use this selected account. Now we have to create a list, and what most lists are considered on the Amazon program are something like your stream setup, or perhaps your stream gear that people that like your channel, like your quality, like your content, may be interested in clicking through the products that you're gonna be promoting, and that's how you'll be making a sale. So I'm just gonna label mine stream gear, and I'm just gonna call it stream gear that I use to stream. For our first product that we're gonna add, we're gonna go with a common product that a lot of streamers like to use, which is an Elgato Stream Deck. So you're gonna wanna search that on Amazon.com, and when you get to the product that you like, all you do is go up to the top URL, and we're gonna copy that and paste it into the search bar here. Paste that, and we're going to search it, and you can see it'll populate up the search result. And it's as easy as just clicking Add to List. Now that we have it added to our list, we can publish this product, but feel free to add as many or as few items that you want. Let's say we just want to publish this one product. We're going to go down here and click Publish. Now all my changes have been published, and now we can actually close this list and go view it on our channel. Now that we're back at the My Extensions page, all we have to do is activate this and tell it where we want it to go. Now the unique thing about Amazon Blacksmith is you actually get many different spots that you can set it up as. You can do it as a component, as an overlay, or in your panels. For this tutorial here, we're just gonna do it as a panel. So I'm gonna set it to panel 1, but feel free to pick and choose whichever one you would like. Now that I have it set to panel 1, let's go take a look at our channel that is currently live, and we can see how this looks and is being displayed. Now that we're on our channel and we scroll down, we can see in our position of our panel 1 here is our Amazon Blacksmith extension with the gear that we're recommending. And here you can see the Elgato Stream Deck. So if there's a viewer or a streamer or a regular or a subscriber that comes in and likes my content quality or likes products that I use on my own stream, I can tell them to go down to this panel here, and when they click on this and they click through and they make a purchase on Amazon, I will receive a portion of the proceeds from this sale. And this is how you can start to make a little bit of extra income on Twitch's platform. And you would be surprised at how quickly this stacks up. The Amazon Blacksmith Twitch extension is one of the better extensions I found on Twitch. Not only does it help you organize all the products that you promote and like to use on stream, but hey, it actually can make you a little bit of extra income, which is nice to make a little bit more money on Twitch, since we all know streaming ain't cheap. Hey, if you guys like this video and you'd like me to do more videos on Twitch extensions, let me know in the comments below and I will see what I can do to make a video for you. If you'd like to keep up with me and everything going on my channel, make sure you follow me on Twitter and Instagram. And if you'd like to see me stream on Twitch, make sure you go on over to twitch.tv/wildforgames. And if you like what you see and you want to help support, you can hit that almighty subscribe button. Thank you to those that already have. I will see you all in the next stream support video coming up real soon. Take care, all. Peace.